Hi, everybody. I greet you all. Nigerians, I greet you. Uh, Today, I will talk about the problem we are facing here. Why these people tell us, you people told us to sit at home. Now we sit at home. We sit at home. No light, no food, no anything. Okay, now you told our people, our marketing woman selling food, selling everything, that they should open. Now our people go to buy their food to eat. You take your security people to attack us just to buy food to eat again, just to buy food to eat again. Security are beating many people. They want to kill us. You want to kill us in this country. And you, these people, una get wife for house. You get wife for house. Woman, una go get problem. Go and write today down. You will all get problem. You, these people, politicians wife, you see your husband doing all this kind of thing, you cannot advise your husband that this is not good. You are a woman also, and you treat people like this. You want to kill us. You want to kill us. God will not forgive you. God will not forgive you. Now Buhari, now today, now I don hear say e dey plan to seek for loan 500 billion from the senate. Now after, now like 3 weeks now, they will ask him, you know the one you do in UK in the other time when they make an interview with you, they ask you, how did you spend this one? He say the people that collect the money, they have already take everything back, so we don't know how they spend the money. And you are a leader, you are talking rubbish. Now all of you, now you plan yourself, you go and buy cars. All the senators, rep, use our money to buy cars, and people are hungry. No food, no anything, no light. And you think God will forgive you? You think you will escape? You think your generation will escape this? You believe your children, everybody is in abroad, they are okay, they are feeling fine, nothing concern you about another people's life, nothing concern you about another people's family? You will see the work of God. God will punish you all. See my body now, no food, no anything. At least in your house now, you have drinks, you have everything in your room, you are eating, you are okay in your house, and you don't bother about anybody. You don't care. You are not, you are, I believe you are not a human being. These people, you are an animal, real animal. Look at other countries, they will just order, no police, no soldier, no anything, stay at home, everybody will stay. Because of what? Because they have what to eat. They will hear from their government, because their government is good. That is why you will see some people in senate, some people in president, only they don't have any experience. You go to primary school, you learn Islamic this thing, you don't know anything. Now you don come, now you say you are president. The woman that suffer to arrange everything for his daughter or son to go to school, dey suffer for them. Now they go to school, they do everything. After finish the school, You meet a soldier, you meet everything, they just kill their son or daughter like that without reason. And you, these soldiers, police, you believe you are doing right thing. After now they will say Boko Haram have killed 15 people, Boko Haram have killed 10 people. Now they will be shame. You be telling you this is what happen, this is what is going on, this is what is after that police and soldier, you people, you will kill another person. That person have his own family, he have their family, they don't know what to eat, but they send him to school so that he can become someone. And you just come one day, you say you are, because federal government give you bullets and a gun to do as you like, then you kill him. Now after everything now, you will hear Boko Haram has killed 15 soldiers, Boko Haram has killed 10 soldiers, one police is going in his own way, then they kill him, then they do this, then they do that. After everything, you go hear say you don die. You no know wetin you take your hand carry, wetin you take your head carry before dem kill you. I pity the Nigeria youth, because I no know why una go dey pity dem if dem don kill dem. If you do good, you will not receive bad. If you do bad, you will receive bad. That is life. That is life. Okay, now nothing to eat now. If you go outside now, dem fit tell you say wait there, make dem dey pursue you, make dem dey beat you, make dem dey do everything just to buy food to eat again. No money, no anything. The remaining one wey we get now, na him we take dey buy food. And if you wan go out buy something for your this thing, e go dey difficult for you. Una no fit escape o. Una no fit escape o. Una no fit escape o. I believe very soon, I believe with your wife wey dey at home, wey dem no dey advise you people say the thing wey una dey do no good, wey dem dey hit money every time, dem believe say their children also dey abroad, dem dey go school, dem dey okay, so dem no plan. As a woman when you get two breast, you know as everything dey, you come dey you see another person, because your husband dey on top one post, you no fit advise your husband say this is not life, this is not good, these people are human being. Your children will not escape. All your family, they will not escape it. I swear to God. Now they kill one of my brother now for Delta State here now. Now one soldier come enter this thing. He say he go rape him mama. He say if that soldier now, if they come kill am for Boko Haram now, people go dey shout say they don kill one of our soldier, they don kill one of this thing. Na him take him head carry am, because una no dey think. You say make people stay. See this guy Lai Mohammed, you are a real lie, you are a real liar, you are not a you are a real liar. Now I hear the news yesterday say you have already spent 100 billion for Nigerians. Now everybody is okay. Why you like your life that they born you inside lie? Why una so wicked like this? Yeah? That one come out now, Farouk abi wetin dem dey call am, Minister of Finance. He talk say he don spend na come snap. Show us the Nigerians you give 20,000 make we see them. Show us people wey you give 20,000 make we see them. You people will gain it o. Go and write today's date down. because I'm talking now with nothing in my stomach. I have never eat anything, and I know it shall be so. All wetin you don do for Nigeria na so e go be for you. We are talking about 5G, 5G, 5G. I believe say some of you no don collect money now, say make dem dey come, no worry, no worry, because una no go die, na another person go die. The 4G gan wey dem do, wetin una take am do? The na hospital for there, no any medical, any equipment, anything there. Na whole 4G for the fourth generation, na no use am for anything, na no use am for anything. God punish you now. Now 5G come out now, dem go just use una brain drop am. Don sleep. What, which kind of life is this?